You good? You hot? It's hot today, right? So hot. I'm not tired, actually. I feel good. I feel like the energy that I have, I just keep getting more and more and more. I think we gotta change. It's super quiet in here. I don't want to talk so loud, but how many stops we got?
We need to
Change?
change Ojon.
Oh, there's 2 stops.
The MetroRide is just
Oh, I didn't know. Where are we going? Huh?
I think I'm the one who directs you, right?
Are you? We gotta go here. Jujongnu Town. I mean, friend, partner, hold this. Business partner, take this.
What?
It's a beautiful day. That's the U.S. Embassy right there, guys. That's the U.S. Embassy. You want to go to America? You've been to America before?
Yes.
That's the U.S. Embassy right there. You ready?
Where is it?
저쪽이.
I didn't know it was even in Jujani Tower.
Today is your lucky day. You want to go?
No.
You don't want to go to America?
No.
U.S.
Listen.
Embassy right there, guys. Huh?
Am I your business partner?
For sure. Ni hao. What's your name? 你叫什么名字？没事没事没事。Hi, Holy, nice to meet you.
Certified trade here?
Yeah. So, bro, how are you? I'm good, bro. "13 factories, man. If you know, you know." How are you, bro? Long time no see. You doing okay? I'm good, bro. Happy New Year.
So I'm not gonna understand.
You're gonna understand, but you're not gonna know what it is because it's all American food. And then one day you're gonna take me to an Ethiopian restaurant. They have some in Guangzhou?
Yeah.
You gonna take me one day? Okay. What do you feel like? Rice, chicken, chicken, broccoli.
I mean, I see here.
This one right here is good. Mashed potatoes, yeah. Mashed potatoes, fried chicken, sausage, cream, gravy. You want that one? Southern fried chicken. It's spicy though. I'm getting chicken and waffles. Chicken and waffles. Yeah, you see that?
Bacon.
Butter, yeah, you cannot eat that. It's pork. So what you want? What you think?
Let me ask him. I don't want spicy. Maybe I can tell him.
Bro, can we get the southern fried without spicy? Can it be no spicy? Southern fried chicken. It's not spicy? It's not really spicy though. Can we get that and just the chicken and waffle?
Do that and a chicken and waffle?
Yeah. That's it, bro. Thank you. And a chocolate milkshake.
Chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate milkshake.
Lemon tea.
Lemon tea?
Ice?
Ice?
No, beyond.
Hot tea?
No. No need ice.
Just regular room temperature.
Room temperature lemon tea.
Yeah. Killer got the, what's that? The southern steak with potatoes. That look fire. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bro, can I get some water?
Yeah.
Southern fried steak. Mine look better. Whose look better,
care.
me or you? You don't care?
Thank you.
Why you don't care? I love syrup. I be drowning my waffle or pancake in just straight syrup.
Which one's bacon?
The bacon inside. Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah, that's cool. They join.
You don't want me to try your food. That's why you only bacon.
I don't care.
So you can have tissue? 你好。The gin. Thank you. Ooh.
Let me try mine first. Okay, I'll take it.
But it's hot, take it.
Yo, that's fire. My syrup coming out way too slow. Is that by design? Oh, after a long day, putting in orders for customers, it feel good to come get some good food, just relax. Shoot, I'm finna kick my shoes off real quick. Okay. Feel good to come get some good, comfortable food. You never been here before. Actually, I take you to a lot of new places, huh? Huh? I love y'all. Let me tear this food up and get up out of here. I'll talk to y'all later. I got a chocolate milkshake to wash it down when I'm done. You want some?
No.
Hi guys.
Bye guys. Please enjoy our food. Thank you for watching.